This is a simple concept developed for the automatic food test cleaning machine. Normally this is for the food test on roller. This is obstacle sensor. When the chapel or when the leg is detected by the sensor, automatically the signal goes to the relay. The relay will be switched on the high speed motor. The motor is connected with the belt drive with this pulley. This main pulley connected with the main shaft. The shaft will attach it with the brush. So this is for the step down transformer, 12 volt step down transformer we have used, power supply unit. So once I put my chapel here, it may be rotating, see here, but once I remove it, it won't rotate. When I keep my chapel here, so like that it may be also rotates. Thank you. This is the belt drive mechanism. One pulley is there. This is a motor pulley. This is a shaft pulley. So we have done the speed reduction because the motor will be high speed motor, about 4500 RPM.